Alright, Melanie, here we have your 124 scale Dodge Charger Pursuit. This decaled as a, I almost said Indiana, I guess because they got the same type stripe, Arkansas State Police unit, just as you asked. Did the antennas the same as the one picture. And of course, as I reached across them earlier, they moved a little bit. But they may come off in shipping anyway. They're put on with a type of glue that's real easy to take off and on. So you can add those back on. This tall one may come off. It may not. The little puck antennas and everything, like I said, these come directly from a picture on the internet, and the description I sent you as far as the bill details, those were on there. Again, G18, as you requested. All the proper decals. The doors do open. Hood opens as well. The push bumper, I know the picture you sent didn't show a push bumper, but some of the pictures do have them. So just to make sure, I'm going to leave it on there. As you see, it comes off and on fairly easy. There's a couple little holes that it pushes into. You know, when you get the car, if you want to leave it on there, you can, or take it off. It doesn't really matter. The front license plate is behind there. I did go ahead and add it as well. I'll burn out right there. Wheels painted silver, Jask. What else? A little details. Swapped out, did a radio console inside. I kind of went overboard on it for you. I don't think you're going to care. Added the laptop, interior work light. The console turned out really well. I actually added a little microphone, a coiled cord, and everything for the microphone. So it turned out pretty cool. Probably the coolest ones I've done on one of the Chargers. So I guess bonus time for you guys. The lighting. One main power switch right here. You didn't want the siren on this one, so one power switch to turn everything off and on. When it comes time to change the battery, just those two screws in the rear is all that needs to be taken out. When you take those off, you see this little split in the bumper just like the real car has. This bumper will pull out, and you can change the 9-volt battery without taking all the screws out. And if you do want to take them out, the other 3 are in the front. But like I said, you can get away with just taking the 2 that are likely up in the mufflers, and take those 2 out, and be able just to change it through the back end there. Like I said, prevent taking everything apart. Let's go ahead and turn it on. A little bit of sniffles. Got cold up here today. You can see let's go look at the interior. You can see the radio console, again, laptop on the stand there. The microphone, you can see a little coiled cord laying there across there. Like I said, I really like the looks of the way it turned out. I wish I'd have done all the other ones that way, but anyway, like I said, I just kind of experimented a little bit. Spent a little bit more time maybe on this one, and like I said, it turned out pretty cool. You see your blue strobe light bar. You have blue strobes on the rear deck, flashing taillights. Spin around this side again, you maybe see the microphone a little bit better in there. You wanted, again, I did mention the blue strobe light bar. You got blue strobes on the front visor, and then your flashing headlights. Again, this one's built just like the details that I sent you, the video that you saw. So I think it's Jennifer's maybe that was built this way. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the order. Like I said, I'll get this. You just owe a little bit more on it. I'll send the invoice to this here in a little bit. Like I said, pay it when you need to. Like I said, I know it's a Christmas present, so you got a little while to send the payment on. Like I said, it is finished up. I will leave the video as private until after Christmas, so he won't stumble upon it. So again, thank you very much for the order, and I appreciate your business.